Bath salts are manufactured chemicals that are part of a group of drugs that we're calling new psychoactive substances. This grouping has been around for a number of years, and there are new substances that are being created and adding to it all the time. So there's a lot of variability of the different chemicals that are in there. None of them are legal in New Zealand at the moment. So because these are a family of substances, there's a lot of variability for the effects between substances, and they also vary in terms of the amount that's taken in a session or in a dose. So at lower levels of the chemicals, they can cause things like a fast beating heart, they could give somebody more energy, they can also make somebody feel a little bit anxious, confused and disorientated. Put that at a higher amount taken, then pretty much amplify those effects. So it could be things like paranoia, seeing, hearing or feeling things that aren't there, getting blurry vision or feeling extremely disorientated. I guess the challenge with these is with the manufacturing of these chemicals and having them perhaps sprayed onto something or in the form of crystals, it can be hard to tell per session what is a low amount and what is a high amount of the chemicals that are taken. That means it can be quite unpredictable sometimes what the effects can be. So I guess the risk for this grouping of drugs is that there is a lot of variability within the chemicals. The amount of chemical in a product varies quite a lot too. This means that the effects aren't always consistent, and it can be quite difficult for a person to reliably predict what effect that substance will have with them at that particular point in time. Also, in terms of the long-term effects, we don't know this at this stage. It hasn't been long enough that these chemicals have been around for the reliable evidence to be built up. There are also some additional risks if somebody chooses to take them and mix them with other substances, particularly with alcohol. So avoiding mixing with other substances is really important.